The Supreme Court has directed that cash-strapped SpiceJet pay $1.5 million to Credit Suisse by the 15th of September. The court has warned the airline, and I quote, of drastic measures if it does not comply with the order. Ashmit standing by now with the details. Ashmit, strong words coming in from the apex court.
Well, indeed, a tough day in court for SpiceJet as well as for Ajay Singh, both of them on the mat with respect to two particular matters, different matters, one in the Supreme Court, the other one in the Delhi High Court. The one in the Supreme Court was the payment dispute with Credit Suisse. Now, this is the matter where in May of 2022, there was a settlement agreement between the two sides where it was agreed that SpiceJet will pay $500,000 every month. That payment schedule has not been complied with, and that's the reason why the Supreme Court in the last hearing had issued a contempt notice against Ajay Singh, which meant that he had to appear in person today before the top court. And well, the Supreme Court chose some harsh words to address Ajay Singh. The Supreme Court said that there is no room for dilly-dallying anymore. They very clearly pointed out that the Supreme Court couldn't care less if the company were to go bankrupt, and to that end has directed SpiceJet to cough up an amount of $1.5 million, and that amount needs to be paid by September 15th, failing which the Supreme Court has said that it will take drastic action against SpiceJet as well as Ajay Singh. Now, that was case number one. The second case is the one before the Delhi High Court. This is the arbitration dispute involving Kalanidhi Maran. In this case, the Marans are seeking outstanding interest dues of 400 crore rupees. The SpiceJet, the airline, is disputing that amount, but nonetheless, the Delhi High Court in the previous hearing had directed for at least 100 crore rupees to be paid. Deadline, September 11th, today. Now, as of today, SpiceJet clarified that it has paid an amount of 62 crore rupees. The balance amount of 38 crore rupees will be paid as of tomorrow. So that's what the Delhi High Court has recorded. Time till tomorrow to SpiceJet to clear that amount of 100 crore rupees. Post that, the Delhi High Court will keep an eye and will take up this case for further hearing on October 3rd.